How'd you find us?
Instagram.
Instagram?
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm always looking for curly hair ideas.
Okay. Have you been wearing your hair curly for a long time?
My whole life.
Very good. Nice. You probably know a lot of do's and don'ts already.
Yes.
Okay.
A handful, yes.
All right.
But yeah, I don't know. I just always don't find people who know how to cut curly hair.
What do you run into? When they cut it, what happens that you don't like?
It feels like too
choppy
layers.
Like,
Exactly. I've always wanted like a big full.
Cool.
And I feel like they don't quite get it there.
Gotcha.
You know, it's like so in where I live, it's kind of a smaller area anyways.
Less options,
yes.
Even more so. And well, I'm glad you found me.
Yeah, I am too.
I'm going to give you everything I got. Are you running into anything aside from the cut, but more like at home stuff that you're like, when I style it, I wish that I could get this, or or tangles, or running into any problems at all that might be able to solve for you? Running into any problems at all that might be able to solve for you?
Well, I guess like when I put product in, it always kind of looks scrunchy. Like I need to.
A little too crunchy?
A little too crunchy.
Okay.
Yes.
Gotcha.
Yes.
Are you using anything specific for curly hair?
I do. I use Dad.
Okay, cool.
I use all of their stuff.
Awesome. Yeah, I have my favorite stuff. It's all I've got in here, so I'm going to show you that.
Great.
So that's going to be some stuff happened in the bowl there. How often do you shampoo?
Maybe once every 2 weeks.
Once every 2 weeks?
Yeah.
I'm looking at your color, and I'm going, are you preserving the color?
That, and I just, it's just easier. I'll wet it, like almost every day.
Okay.
I get it wet and kind of go through it, but no, it's just more time.
Okay.
More time.
I will say there's only one thing that is going to moisturize and hydrate your hair, and that's water. So I'm thinking maybe when you got the product in there and stuff like that and you're getting away, that's cool. You're kind of moving stuff around and that's good. But I'm wondering if you hit that with a shampoo one more time, like once a week.
Yeah.
It's going to help open up that hair and let more water in.
Okay.
You'll have to experiment with it. I can't say like, oh, that's definitely an answer for you because you look great. I know you don't have anything in this. You're in a really good spot. But you might check to see if you get a little bit more actual hydration, moisture in your hair. Just get one more shampoo in.
Yeah. Okay.
What do you want to do with the cut?
I think I'd like to go short.
Wow, fun. Okay. Yeah. All right, making me nervous. What are you thinking?
Well, I have some idea. I mean, I have some.
Yeah, here, I'll grab your bag. I got you.
I was excited to find you, and I thought, and I've always wanted to do this cut, and so I'm like, let's do it.
I love the side part, like the way she flops it over. So we're talking about kind of knocking this out. Love it.
And I've gone short. I've gone that short before, but then the way they cut it, it makes it go out like as a triangle.
Yeah, you're looking for that kind of like kind of curved in.
Exactly.
Cool. So when I do it at first, you are going to see that built up pretty good. You got a lot of it, but then I'm going to work it to where you kind of get that feel.
Yeah.
Really, really fun. I'm excited for you.
Yay.
I'm excited to do it.